Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get your mix on YouTube. First, ensure your audio is professionally mastered for optimal sound quality, aiming for a loudness target around -14 LUFS. Convert your final audio to a high-quality format like WAV or FLAC, which offers superior fidelity compared to compressed files. Next, create compelling visual content, such as a static image or a simple video, to accompany your audio. This initial preparation is crucial for a polished presentation. Now, let's focus on the visual aspect of your YouTube mix. Design an engaging static image or a dynamic visualizer that complements your audio. You can use various software tools to create these visuals. Once ready, use video editing software to combine your audio with your chosen visuals, ensuring perfect synchronization. Finally, export your video in a high-definition format, typically 1080 pixels or 4K. For the best viewer experience, this step ensures your mix looks as good as it sounds. With your video file prepared, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Log into your channel and select the upload option, then drag and drop your file. Crucially, add a descriptive title, relevant tags, and a detailed description to maximize discoverability. Think about what people might search for. Choose an appropriate category and set your privacy settings, deciding whether to publish immediately or schedule it. This optimization helps your mix reach a wider audience. After your mix is live on YouTube, the next step is promotion and engagement. Share your new video across all your social media platforms, reaching out to your followers and encouraging them to listen. Actively engage with comments and build a community around your music, fostering a loyal audience. Finally, explore YouTube's monetization options, such as ads or channel memberships, once your channel meets the eligibility requirements. This can turn your passion into a potential income stream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.